takes control of me. Like a mythology. What have I done? You ain't me. And you're not the only one who feels it. Hate breeds inside. What is it? You can say all of this hate. Consume all the pain. Tell me what did I do? Not a fucking thing to you. Can't think of what I said that thing to make them change. Not the twang. If I can put my hands inside my body, I tear everything inside apart. Apart. I'd fucking tear it all apart. What's inside of me? Well, I don't feel normal. You're talking. What? Who said that? You fucker. Who the fuck are you? Just kill her. Go the fuck away. Just kill her. These voices that scream inside of my head. I can't believe I'm taking word they said. And now I know if I do as I'm told. I'm pumping who I am that I'm so. Why do I want to die? All the pain deep inside. If you could see this in me, you'd see I'm already I'm already dead. I feel the hatred, but it's all in my head. I'm ready to die, and I'm already dead. I feel the hatred, but it's all in my head. It's inside.